All right. Hello, Pratap. Welcome to the Madman AI show. In one line, please tell us about your background and what does your startup do?
So I'm the co-founder and CEO of Nagent AI.
Would you say that your ideal customers today, if not partnered with you, they are having employees who take care of these different business functions, or how do they solve these problems without you in the picture?
Yeah. So they do it, of course, through employees. One is that many of our customers have in-house teams. So these employees would use different tools to do it manually, one by one.
Other than D2C, are there any industries that you are particularly targeting, or the agents that you have produced so far? First of all, where are they more relevant, in B2B space or in B2C space?
Well, they are relevant in any space. Okay, we have customers from, of course, consumer packaged goods, FMCG, e-commerce. We have customers from banking, financial services, technology companies as well.
Currently, Pratap, where do you use AI internally in your business function?
Yeah, I think all the business functions we use, apart from finance, financial operations. Yeah.
Can you also name the tools, Pratap? Let's say if you're using AI in product development or coding,
Mhm.
what tool are you leveraging?
Yeah, for coding, we use external tools like Cursor. Cursor is primarily used by our developers. Then we also use Anthropic Claude 4.0 Opus for writing codes.
What are the top three AI tools that you would recommend other than Chat GPT, Perplexity, the basic models that you
Hmm.
use in your daily life, which are making an impact?
For coding, I love Bolt, right? For prototyping, I use Hagen, and Gemini is really good.
Ultimately, in 5 years, if you get everything that you want, where do you see Nagent AI?
I think, yeah, if that happens, then it would transform a lot of these job functions. So the way we want is in 5 years, a single person should be able to build a company.
All right. Hello, Pratap. Welcome to the Madman AI show. In one line, please tell us about your background and what does your startup do?
Yeah, thanks, Harshit, for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be here. So I'm the co-founder and CEO of Nagent AI. I'm a second-time founder. I have worked in industry for almost 18 years now. I'm an alumnus of NIT Trichy and I am Lucknow. And prior to co-founding this startup, I worked as a CMO of a couple of companies like Giga Technologies and Freedom App. And at Nagent AI, so at Nagent AI, we are building an agentic AI operating system for enterprises. And this system, using our system, anybody who has the knowledge of a particular function can create a AI agent very, very seamlessly. And these agents have certain features, like they have a pre-built memory, which this agent essentially improves over a period of time. Now, I think for the benefit of audience, I will explain what an agent is. Right? Many of us might have used, uh, generative AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Anthropic, or Gemini. These engines are good at answering questions, but they really do not do that thing for you. Whereas an agent can act on your behalf and complete the task for you. That is the difference. And to build an agent, there are multiple ingredients that are required. Of course, AI models are one, but apart from that, it requires tools through which it can take action. It also needs a memory so that it sort of improves over a period of time. And also, when it comes to enterprises, it needs to work on the data of that enterprise. And in our platform, we have two products essentially. One is the agent builder, where these four ingredients are inbuilt, and the second one is a pre-built agent store where pre-configured agents are available. As of now, there would be around 150 plus agents that would be available on our platform, which covers many sales, marketing, content use cases at this point of time. Uh, Yeah, hopefully that answers your question, Varsit.
Absolutely, absolutely. And which brings me to my next question, Pratap. Can you tell us a little bit about who your ideal customers would be? What industry, what employee size, what revenue?
Yeah. So our ideal customers at this point of time would be enterprises, mainly large businesses with, let's say, 1,000 plus employees. We have customers who have 50,000 to 50,000 employees as well, but it works for any size. But we are focusing on uh, enterprises having 1,000 plus employees.
Uh-huh.
Uh, and our ideal customer would be the CMO or chief marketing officer or head of marketing, those kind of job roles, and the associated team of that particular CXO. So we help them with automating their marketing function, whether it is content creation, social media marketing, campaign management, or even performance marketing, online reputation management, marketing analysis, and so on and so forth. So to these customers we help in couple of ways. One is we help them reduce cost by automating repetitive tasks through these agents, and this is where we have seen a huge amount of success. The second key area where we help them is grow their business without increasing the headcount. And the way our vision is that human and agents would collaborate in the future, and
Right.
this is where a small team. So the future of workforce should not only be humans, it would be a combination of humans plus AI agent. And this is what we enable our customers to do, particularly in sales and marketing domain at this point of time.
Got it. Got it. And apart from this, would you say that your ideal customers today, if not partnered with you, they are having employees who take care of these different business functions, or how do they solve these problems without you in the picture?
Yeah. So they do it, of course, through employees. One is that many of our customers have in-house teams.
Uh-huh.
Uh, so these employees would use different tools to do it manually, one by one. And at times, a lot of large companies essentially engage agencies to do it.
Got it.
Right, when there is a huge amount of content production, or even for advertising and campaign management, a lot of these companies are dependent on external agencies, and these agencies in turn employ people to get it done. So
Got
let me give you an example, right? So one of our early customer, who is one of the largest e-commerce player in India, uh, they they were producing around thousands of campaigns a month for their customers, right? And they were using 5 agencies to do that. The
Okay.
cost was very high. The lead time to produce those campaigns and take those campaigns live was around 3 to 4 weeks time.
Uh-huh.
Right. So with our agent, uh, we automated this thing where, of course, the dependency on the agency went down significantly. But the major improvement that happened was the time it took to create and run these campaigns. It went down from 3 weeks to 3 minutes. Right.
Got
So
it.
when a marketing manager or marketing team is thinking about a campaign, they can execute it right there without waiting for 3 weeks time, and that is where they are unlocking new growth avenues as well. That is one. Second was earlier, when humans were involved, they were not able to do lot many experimentation, whether it is A/B testing or whether it is running personalized campaigns. They were not able to do that because of these constraints that I explained. Now, because all these things are getting done through AI, it becomes really, really easy for them to do a lot more experimentation, and this is where a lot of growth would come. So,
Mm.
if you ask me, the future of marketing is not a segmented marketing; it is a one-on-one marketing that would happen, and these agents should essentially enable this one-on-one communication between a brand and the customer.
Correct. And like you said, this was one of the example and use cases for a D2C brands. Other than D2C, are there any industries that you are particularly targeting, or the agents that you have produced so far? First of all, where are they more relevant, in B2B space or in B2C space?
Well, they are relevant in any space. Okay, we have customers from, of course, consumer packaged goods, FMCG, e-commerce. We have customers from banking, financial services, technology companies as well, and yeah, there are travel companies who are using our product, travel, real estate. So it's industry agnostic as such, but we are focusing on 6 to 7 key industries that we have identified where our solution is more relevant at this point of time. But we have the capability to scale to any industry. Uh, because the way our platform is designed, uh, it understands the enterprise data, and that is
Mm.
how it would be able to adapt to any industry as such.
Got it. Got it. Understood. And currently, Pratap, where do you use AI internally in your business functions? I mean, I understand everything is about agentic AI, but across your internal business functions, where do you leverage AI?
Yeah, I think all the business functions we use AI. Apart from finance, financial operations. Apart from that, we use AI first of all in product development, right? Whether it is coding, prototyping, that is the first
Can
level at
you
which we
also
use AI.
can you also take
After
it
that,
further?
around let's say finding out new leads or new prospects. This is where also we use AI. That is in sales and marketing functions. So we also create a lot of content, and all of that happens through AI. We reach out to prospective customers using one of the in-house agent that we use. Uh, yeah, I think apart from that, yeah.
Can you also name the tools, Pratap? Let's say if you're using AI in product development or coding,
Mhm.
what tool are you leveraging? If you're using it for lead gen, what tool are you leveraging?
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, for coding, we use external tools like Cursor. Cursor is primarily used by our developers. Then we also use Anthropic Claude 4.0 Opus for writing codes. We use Bolt to prototype primarily. So these are the tools that our product and engineering team uses.
Okay.
For lead generation and sales and marketing, we use our own agents, but these agents are built on top of different AI models. We in our platform we have around 25 plus AI models. All the frontier AI models are there, whether it is OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, or XAI. These are some of the text-based models. Then we have, when it comes to image, we have Flux, Ideogram, Leonardo. These are the image-based models that we are using.
Okay.
And for audio, 11 Labs, Smallest AI, then Cartesia, Beethoven. And for video, again, we are using Google Veo 3, Runway, Pika Labs, Minimax, Hylio,
Okay.
Kling. These are the models that are available on our platform, and the agents that are constructed are basically built using any one or multiple of these models.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Wonderful. Wonderful. And can you also share with us one of the customer success stories, Pratap? Somewhere
Mhm.
a company has used your agents, and what were the tangible results that they were able to draw? Were they able to
Yeah.
cut off on employees or, any other significant results if you can mention?
Yeah. So the example that I was giving you just now for this e-commerce company, I can name that company. It's Big Basket, which is part of the Tata Group,
All right.
and we sort of automated their marketing communication campaigns using one of our agent. And as a result, there was around 80% cost reduction as compared to their earlier practice. The campaign cycle time got reduced from around 3 weeks to around 3 minutes. Right, that was a significant improvement.
Amazing.
Uh, and apart from that, yeah, now we are seeing early sign of, let's say, growth avenue using this agent where they're able to do much more experimentation. So yeah, initially it was cost cutting, cost saving and time saving, but now we are also seeing growth,
Right.
which is a more important metric for them.
Got it. And currently, Pratap, what is your biggest challenge in onboarding more customers or closing deals with your ideal customer profiles?
Yeah. So I think it is the problem of adoption, okay? Because AI agents as such is a kind of a double-edged sword, right? Now, when you implement, you see results, but the when you actually see efficiency, what happens is a lot of existing roles gets uh, uh, basically gets reduced, right? So a lot of people who were doing that particular work, they have little or less work at this point of time. So
Correct.
that is one of the key challenge. But the forward looking enterprises are realizing this, that now or in the future this is going to happen, and this
Hmm.
is a transformation that is happening, right? Any technology that comes, it transforms existing roles and creates new ones.
Hmm.
So the forward looking companies who are implementing agents, they are realizing huge amount of efficiency gain, and that is where they are also looking at how can I use my existing human resource to get more quality work. And that is how enterprises has to perceive this. But certain companies are thinking, hey, if something was taking humans 30 days time to do, and this agent is able to do it in one day, what would I do with my teammate? I don't want to fire them. But this is where they have to kind of realign their workforce strategy to work with agents, and that's one of the major challenge, because this technology is in very early stage of adoption as such.
Got it. Got it. And I think everything that agentic AI can do today, it is learning from the past experiences and then giving you the results based on those experiences. With marketing, there is this notion where, if you look at the same things again and again, eventually you will get bored. So, you need something new which can act as a dopamine to your
Yeah.
customer's brain. So, how do you
Yes.
address this, or how do you look at this problem where I understand we are saving a lot of time with agentic AI, but at the same point in time, even if you're using this or creating campaigns, what's to say that the quality of those campaigns will be at par with the quality of campaigns that humans could deliver within 3 weeks?
Yeah, I think the quality is much better than humans at this point of time. Okay,
Okay,
and you mentioned a very important point, that the let's say life cycle of a campaign is very short,
correct,
because when I used to run marketing, that was one of the problem. How do we refresh our creative assets very
correct.
frequently, and probably we were doing it every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks time. But now with agents, those refresh can happen every day if required, right? Because the cost has come down, the time has come down. Now, with respect to quality, again, the quality is really good at this point of time, and it is only going to improve significantly in the future, because the inherent model capability is increasing, right? Uh, so that is where I don't see any challenge with the quality as such. The quality is going to improve. It is already much better than what average humans can do.
Yeah,
And another thing is, when it is about a brand, right? They wanted to maintain consistency in their
correct,
communication, in their creative style. And
correct.
when humans were doing it, there was a challenge of consistency. It goes into approval flow. The brand manager would look at it. It used to take time, because if 10 people are working on creating 10 different campaigns, the knowledge or the learning was not same for all the 10 people, and this is where the variation was happening, and brand team used to spend a lot of time to align everybody to their guideline, and so on and so forth. Now with AI agents, that's a solved problem, at least on our platform, where uh, we have a proprietary software which is called Brand Lock AI, which essentially works with your brand guideline. It would adapt to your style, your brand style and guideline, and so on and so forth. And by doing that, the consistency and quality is much better. And we have seen, our creatives get the approval rate is more than 98%. With humans, it was more than 60-70%, right? So there is a significant improvement in terms of the first draft itself. That's where we are seeing the difference, and customers are also loving it because of that.
Amazing, amazing. Wonderful to get to know about Nagent AI, Pratap. Thank you so much for your time. Before we end this show, we do a very quick rapid fire where we quickly ask you one or two questions and you will quickly answer
Hmm.
them for us. Are you
Sure.
ready?
Yes.
Super. What's your favorite book?
Well, it was 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel.
Uh huh. Amazing, amazing. And what are the top three AI tools that you would recommend other than Chat GPT, Perplexity, the basic models that you
Hmm.
use in your daily life, which are making an impact?
Yeah. So one is for coding, I love Bolt, right? For prototyping, quick prototyping. Uh, I use Hagen significantly I'm trying to create my interactive model as well through Hagen. And Gemini is really good. Gemini, particularly the video and image models, are really, really good. So whether it is VO3 or Nano Banana from Gemini family, these would be my favorites as such.
Got it. And what is your vision with Nagent AI? Ultimately, in 5 years, if you get everything that you want, where do you see Nagent AI?
I think yeah, if that happens, then it would transform a lot of these job functions. So the way we want is in 5 years, a single person should be able to build a company on Agents AI platform, and we are seeing early signs of that. And that's the vision where we want to enable people to build AI businesses, and these people need not be technical in nature. So it is being built for subject matter experts, and any non-tech person should be able to build a product or an agent. I mean, essentially an agent is a product. Any non-technical person should be able to build a product and scale that product on our platform, and that's the larger vision that we have. And if we are able to make even 100 successful entrepreneurs on our platform, that would be a huge success for us.
And what is the focus right now? Is it the development or is it the marketing?
As of now, it's a combination of both.
Okay.
But personally, I focus on marketing. I have other co-founders who would be 100% focusing on development. And since
Got
it is a technology which is evolving, it would need at least next 4 or 5 years to mature. Right.
it.
So development is going to be a key aspect in our entire journey, at least for the next 3 4 years. That's it.
Amazing. And do you have any advice for founders who are just starting up from your own personal experience, maybe in this particular space of agentic AI?
Hmm. Yeah, I would say just do start, right? Do start and iterate quickly. Work with your customers. This is where a lot of learning happens. Don't build in silos, right? So that would be my advice. It is one of the best time to start building agents or agentic AI, right? So people should just start. Don't procrastinate. Just if you have an idea, just go ahead and try it. That's what I would say. and
So
and don't wait too long. Once you have started, go and talk to your customers, because this is where you would prove or disprove your hypothesis quickly. And if you are able to do that quick iterations, you would be able to succeed.
amazing. And if you were not building Nagent AI or into business or into a job, if you were to do anything different, what is it that you would do? It could be some painting, dancing, cricket, swimming, anything.
Yeah.
If you
I
could do
would
one.
love to do farming.
Oh,
I would
amazing.
love to do farming. I do gardening a little bit with whatever space I have in Bangalore. But if I had to stay outside of a city, I would love to do farming, and particularly organic farming. This is where my interest lies.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Pratap, for your time on this podcast. I hope you had a good time.
Yes, thanks a lot, Varsit. Looking forward to it. Thanks a lot.